we put on the roads. We elevated like fire. So kahit
Paahon na bumaba pa rin.
I see. Manila Times.
Pwede na daw po mag-set up.
Parang naupo yung iba. Chef.
Money konti.
His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Well, today, very simple. I've asked to, so that we can present to you, if you remember, I'm sure we do, that during the SONA, I made I gave instructions for all our different agencies, and of course the UPWH, to give us all of the information on specifically flood control projects that were started, were finished, were in progress from the beginning of my term, which is in 2020, 2022 until now. And so that, and part of that process of auditing these projects was to also publicize the list that we were going to get from DPWH. Projects that are in their area. So kung alam na nila, pwede rin sila magsabi, maganda naman. Pwede sila magsabi, hindi maganda ang naging project. And so those are, we just try to keep it as simple as possible. These are key findings on flood control projects. Let me put that up there. These are basic data lang ito. Next page, yeah. The total cost of all of the projects since 2020, July 2020, that are also flood prone. Okay, next. Here, I think you can analyze this for yourself. I don't need to explain this. Yeah. However, this is another disturbing assessment. 20% of the entire 545 billion budget napunta lang sa 50 na contractor. He was the one that stood up very much. 5 of these contractors had projects in almost the entire country. So those are the ones that immediately pop out. Now, all right. I think that's just a preliminary briefing, and thank you, and I'll take some questions.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, the first question will come from Alvin Baltasar, Radio Pilipinas.
Mr. President, magandang umaga po. Hi, sir. Good morning po.
Mr. President, Mr. Ramon is offering to solve the flood problem in the National Capital Region. What is your take on this?
Thank you. What else?
Yung reported din na si BAC dahil po dito sa anomalous flood control, is this confirmed?
We just open the website. No, I need to hear from other people because ano makukuha akong report? Makukuha akong report sa sino man, maganda lahat. So I need to hear from people first. And then if there is really something na kailangan sasabihin na kailangan ipakonsistent, ang dami nilang peer, 15 yung project nila, puro pang pa. Delikado na yan, titignan na namin. But we don't have that. We haven't conducted that. If you remember, the DepEd is going to now go into all of that. Pero parallel effort yan. Sa gobyerno at saka sa taong bayan. Importante yung kontribusyon ng taong bayan. Napakahalaga. Dahil kami, nandito kami, pinag-usapan na natin, parang 9,000 projects. Siyempre, dinidetalye namin na, i-explain namin na. Pero ang tao, nandun sa harap nila. Pag-gising nila sa umaga, magkakakantan sila ng kalahating nilang kwento, nandiyan na, nakita na nila. So, that's maybe more important. Kaya we have encouraged the way we put the website together, kahit yung picture, may video, i-upload nila sa amin para makita namin. Kasi kami, meron kami yung mga malasakit analysis, yung satellite na, yung mga report. Pero iba na rin yung nakikita ko sa sabihin dito na sila, dito pumasok yung tubig. Nung bumagsak siya, kung ano-ano makapapasok na reklamo, kung minsan justified, kung minsan hindi, dahil may alitan, political, whatever, matalo sa kontrata, the usual thing. But we'll still go through every single one, and we still have to see what really is viable, what really is credible, and what needs to be acted upon. So, climate change na sitwasyon. So, you have to be careful about this. Of course, we want to get to the bottom. Of course, we want the people who have taken advantage of the system to pay and to be answerable to the shortcomings that has been demonstrated. And if there is evidence of corruption, then of embezzlement, of any kind of wrongdoing, that's when we will move. But the debt, for example, can do. For those who are not up to the debt is what NEDA used to be, we just renamed it. So it's not called the partner. So anyway, ang gagawin naman ng debt, titignan niyo yung papel and see what happened, where tapos yung mga really very problematic areas, but we were talking about 9,000. Hindi na mapupuntahan lahat. Kaya, para sa akin,
GNFR. They have around 30 vessels and we have 10, so we are outnumbered, obviously. What immediate actions will the administration take specifically for this particular incident, and how will you respond, sir, to China's complaint regarding your recent statement in India, in your state visit?
oh, let's take the second part of the question first. I don't know what they're talking about. Playing with fire. I was just stating facts. We do not want to go to war.